Legally wiring, what do you say, the partitions, yeah. You can go for 3 strips, 3 million.
And welded this one, you try to open it.
No, our guys are the ones who went to jail. Because the one that is Sanborn. Yoga, isn't it? So, hey, who pays it?
Maum Kuku!
Okay.
Maum Kuku! Maum Kuku!
Nebuyele emakhaya ayikho enye indlela oqana izinto zenu
Noma ngikhoka kuwe kuphi?
nikhokha kubani
Angazi. Angafuna indawo ngathola indawo ngahlala.
wena
Into kanjalo.
ya ukhiphana izinto zenu
Uma nomuntu bese uyathola indawo yokuhlala.
emkhukho sayiwisa
Uyazi ukuthi
Kodwa noma wehoning ngeke nje nisitheleke hayi ngelanga thile sibenzo reader lapha ke sibe siqoqa. Kodwa manje
mawenza into illegal wena ufuna ukutshelwa ukuthi hayi
angithi manje
yenza namhlanje uyenze
ngizothola information ngayo ukuthi
awukaze manje ngawuthatha.
cala nikhipheni into zenu ne please omunye nomunye maqoqa into zabo ne sanikeze 30 minutes ne 30 minutes my brother qoqani into zenu qoqani kahle nje umuntu othi
kodwa noma sesikhalela
ayikho into ozoyenza
Yabona manje next week sesibheke indawo ke kwamanje phela. Ibike nje ngibona. Sesibheke indawo ukuze sikwazi. Sesibheke indawo kwamanje.
Sibheke indawo phela. Soya.
Kanti nizolena futhi laphe wena.
Soya ngempela manje.
siphuma manje bese sishona
Umuntu enibhadala kuyini thini ngaye? Ufike nibone umuntu enibhadala kuyo ufuna kanifuna indawo.
Uzowathatha ingane yakho yethiwa iphizile ikishini.
Umuntu enibhadala kuyo.
sibakhipha every day
Siyabona. Neyakhe ingane.
yeah yonke imihla
Neyakhe ingane.
that's why senza lo msebenzi siwenzelani ukuthi awusodolopha ngoba kumele umaintain i-order mawuchama la sidila nawe mawekho into wrong la sidila nawe mawuntshontsha la sidila nawe asithi kusasa because masithi kusasa it means mina ngivusela abantu futhi kusasa bavuke futhi because mangizoza ngiyi-1 la niyalwa ni-organize namhlanje ngiphethe yonke into uyabo so ke that's why
Ngifuna wani uzokhuluma nabatali ke bala.
abahlali sibatshela every day nawenza into ezillegal sizoza sofika sifikile ke namhlanje
Ngingamazi umnikazi.
Sorry?
Uthole kanjani lendawo ungamazi umnikazi?
Angithi uthola makuplugiwe la kulezi zinto lezi esiplug.
emaphepheni
ma notice boards
Kanti mawufaka ku-account level igama lami nganisho ukuthi nomadlozi. So ubani igama lakhe?
manine problem animfoneli
Akasiphi igama lakhe?
Nje masima.
Igama lakhe mawufaka imali.
Maditse igama lisenene yakho bani Maditse.
yeah
Yes.
namanamba nawo
Ulebi.
Yeah, ulebi.
Mara sicela usiphe namafoni number kaLebu manje.
yeah
Sizozifonelela yena thina
manje
sifuna ukuchasha la.
mara kabhadala umasipala
Hayi mina into engiyazi ukuthi ulebu uyabhadala.
yeah
That's what I know because mawungabhadalanga ngithi la eGurudeni kusebenzisa system bayicisha phela office.
Yeah.
Mawubhadala usalele emuva. Then makucishiwe after isikhathi or 2 hours bazofika abantu betruck balayite kulayite. Kushuthi kuyabe kubhadela.
uzwela ukhalele umqala lapha quba
Ngizwile, hayi ngizwile.
akukho la singangeni khona siyangena
Ukuthi you guys niyabhadala or anibhadala. So we want you to send us your proof statement sakho manje because we see also igesi intambo la zihlanganiswe ngendlela engekho right.
And we can't find the meter box.
Ne meter box asitholi la. But also sithandwa sam mamela sicede. But also indlu yakho siyayibona nokuthi uyikhulisile. Then you must send us your building plans. We need all the send us those things now.
Yeah, we're talking to the lady now. Maybe the meter box must tell the man because we're gonna disconnect.
Those things like Oninium. And you send the rates and taxi proofs which you are paying. Or you can send to any of your tenants here. You can send to any of your tenants. That's what we do. Sinama-tenants wakhona sana sam.
Can I contact and send around lunchtime?
Okay. Lunchtime sabe sesicishile thina.
No, where's the meter box?
Meter box then.
Nayo into esitholile lapha.
Abana meter box man ba on.
This type of a meter.
Okay, anisho sikhuluma ngegesi sithando sami.
Except meter box.
Uthi kune
You use the jaws of the beach, you know. You can go 3 streets. 3 million.
And this was cut off.
That's a connection.
Oh, that's a connection, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Check even this one here. The big one. See the big one here?
Yeah.
And they add on the branches over.
Yeah.
So they make their own hole here and welded this one here. That's why you couldn't open it.
No, our guys are the ones who welded here. Because they wanted to secure the switch off.
Yes, yeah.
They closed this thing welded. So they came and broke.
But they're not taking the council seriously. It shows you. It's not expected on for the law. Not expected on.
How did they connect? Who switch it off for them?
Somebody switched it within our council.
Somebody
within our council.
That's what
It has to be our guys.
it must be our guys.
Within the council.
It must be our guys because you had a breaker here. It's in my car, that breaker that we took.
We removed, yeah.
Yes,
I
now
remember.
there's another one there.
So where do they get the breaker?
This one you can buy.
Who buys it? Where?
The electrical shops, I think they're selling them.
They just sell to anyone?
Yeah.
And there's no method of...
Finding out who. Switch off.
But the source of connection is from us. The source of connection is from us.
Yes, but one of our guys was a switch off.
Exactly, yeah.
For them so that they can...
100%, yeah. It's coming from us. It's within.
Yeah, because they will not be able to operate this thing, eh?
Sure.
So we've got a problem.
A big problem, yeah.
Internal problem.
Internal, yeah. This is internal.
You can actually see all the illegal connections here. Legal wiring. You can actually see they've partitioned here. They've subdivided this space. But just check, I mean, there's a few stories going up, I think about 7 stories. It's subdivided. Someone is collecting the rent, monthly, and they are consuming electricity, they are consuming water, but they are not paying anything to the city. But most importantly, it's not safe to stay in this building. Just imagine if one of the households there, they catch fire. It means, the entire area will burn. Look at the mama now. Now mama bega nabandwan. These are some of the things that we can't allow. We must act against this without, our people, they have to understand. We must enforce bylaws. We must, this is a war that we're going to win. See all these buildings here, all of them, same thing. All of them going up to the railway line.
It's sad, man. It's sad. It's really sad.
And the conditions are not good. The conditions are just not good. But we must do something. We must enforce the bylaws. We must ensure that, for their own safety as well. If something happen here, this room here catches fire, you can imagine what's going to happen here. Lives will be lost. Good peace.